What's the deal? 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 What goes on, everybody? How we doing? We fucking survived. We made it. Yeah, you got. If you didn't get a notification yesterday, it's because yesterday's stream was private, like these. All right. Outside of that, you should be getting a notification Monday through Thursday. Yo, you guys looking at this fucking chart here? What in the fucking Burj Khalifa candle is this? What the fuck happened here? Yo, this is nuts. Then you look at the broker and ain't shit happened. That's not the price? Nah. When you wake up in the morning and find that thing up, that's when you really gotta take a piss in the morning. This is what you wake up. You can't even take a piss, right? You can't go to the bathroom like this, right? You gotta wrap yourself around the curtain and shit. Like, you've seen this shit? Me, myself, and Irene. Everybody seen that shit? Get to wrap himself in a fucking shower curtain in order to pee and not get it anywhere. Yo. That shit was crazy. I was holding over session just because I seen no end to gap. It's probably right back at the same price, right? Yo, I don't know. When I was looking at this, I looked at this, then I looked at my broker, then I looked at this. I was like, damn, you know what? Like, I know I smoked for breakfast and smoked for lunch, right? But that don't mean I should have a felony for dinner. This is crazy. This is criminal right here. These two fucking candles. That's crazy. Anyway, that's a bug from your broker. That's from Oanda on Trading View. My broker's fine. Rise off, flash crash normal. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna treat this, right? So we did have a bullish closure yesterday, but I'm gonna treat this as a range 2 breakout in either direction, right? I don't really have a daily bias here right now. So no matter how I trade, I'm gonna trade this for a range 2 breakout. And buys, depending on how they form. Let's see. We have a nice hourly level here, right? And everything above here. On the hourly, and we have some clean range above this level on the hourly. Like, what the fuck is this? Like, what is this? Damn. These fucking candles, I can't get over this shit. Someone at the broker's like, all right, who let the new guy handle the MT5 servers? Look what he did. You guys hear that meme? He was like, Mr. John? Yeah, the new guy, he no good. Yo, what the fuck? Oanda, you better put the new guy on the phones instead of on the fucking servers. You hear me, Oanda? Get the new guy a phone or something. Same level I had this morning. I'm sorry, last night. So depending on how we close above here, that's really going to play a role whether we take anything off the rip or not, depending on how we get up here. Ideally, I want to be up above these areas, above 1959, 1960 areas. Yeah, anything above here, look for off the rip. I don't think we're going to get anywhere remotely close, but we'll see what happens. And by the way, levels, this isn't like yesterday, so whatever levels we put out here, right, this should be valid for London if we don't break out here, if we just end up ranging, because London's going to open up after a long weekend. Same thing for New York, same thing for all the North American markets. So, you know, once London opens up, there should be a bunch of volatility, and North America should just continue driving. And I believe the same thing here for sells. I'd rather see a range to break out for sells, but let's see how this works here. Hold on, gang. I got Wix 12 here. Hold on. What's up? Oh, Wix 11. Thought you were your sister for a second. What's up? How can I help you? She wants cereal for dinner. Let's see what happens. Damn. Oh, just for curiosity, this is fucking massive. What the fuck was that? The wick of ignorance. If this doesn't happen here, right? If this move doesn't happen last second, the daily closes bearish, right? I'm trying to look at the price it drove from. If this nonsense doesn't happen in the last hour of the day, right? 1943.07. The daily close is pretty bearish, so our bias should technically still be bearish. I don't know what that move was, but the daily, our daily is bearish here. That would be my bias here, regardless of how bullish it closed. Gonna be a level here, chat. A little annoying, but that's our level for sells. Unless we get a drive through and establish a level before this. We have a nice area here. Right, and I don't mind filling this entire range, but first what I want to see below here is for us to drive through it. Right, and once we drive through here, I'd like to take positions on the retest of the low that we make there. So we'll look for candles to come up. Right, back into this area. As soon as we come back and close below. Running out of room here, but you guys understand. As we close below, look to head down. That's the only way I can take sells in this whole area. Outside of that, it's closure below here and then off the rip to head down. Alright, until then, I am gonna wait. And maybe dance my motherfucking ass off for a minute. Hey, guys, enjoy the vibes, enjoy the music. Let me look at some of the comments. Light up a J. Oh no, I can't light up a J yet. We don't have 420 watching. So as soon as we get to 420 watching, we'll light up a J. Until then, J. 20,000 candles, bitch. isn't bad here on the 30, right? Depends how this 30 closes right now, but it closed below the 30 levels. It's tough here on the 5. Oh, there's a waiting room. What up? What's the deal, everybody? What goes on? Morning. All right. Day-ho. We waiting on you. I don't know where you guys got this. I'm streaming New York shit. But we'll see. Maybe. 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 I have no idea where Don is. I don't know how they put me up for this New York thing. I don't know how it happened, chat. Want to dance on my today? What? What you mean? Do you suggest me, Cat J, or GJ during Asian session? Up to you. Whichever one you feel more comfortable with. It's like, there's no wrong or right answer here. It's all just perspective. What happened with the big candlestick? Which one? The big one. The big one. Right over there. Right there. That's the 4X candle. That's the XXXXL candle. The 4X candle. Word, that shit's on a little blue pill, and it ain't Glenn's Perk 30s, you know what I'm saying? You know what this candle look like? My neck hurts looking at the candle. Like, it's ahead of me, but it's straight in front of me, right? But because it's such a big ass candle up, I feel like I'm looking up, right? Like, the back of my neck is hurting looking at the candle, even though it's straight ahead of me. Right? I almost feel like I'm sitting in the first row of the movie theater after showing up late. You gonna come down, bitch? Or do I need to move back? Oh, fucking candles. look for some buys above here too. Howdy, partner. The middle finger pattern. WTF is that? That's the WTF candle. That's exactly right. Bingo, you guessed it. WTF that is. Not seeing that big candle MT5 now, it's only for Oanda. Word. Can we get some 420 viewers already? I'm trying to fucking burn the shit out of this Jamaican joint. Hello from Detroit. What up, Paul? Hope you're not in your car. If you are, drive, 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 drive. Till you get to another state. Nah, shout out to Detroit. I heard it's on the come up. Like, it wasn't doing that great for a while, but I heard it was on the come up. Unless somebody lied to me. Yo, drop a like, chat. You ain't got else to do, right? What else you gonna do? Drop a dislike? We can't tell. Right? How you gonna drop a dislike and nobody sees it? Like, that's a waste of you. Just drop a like. This way we know you wanted to interact. Hello from Dubai. Get the fuck out of here. You live down the block, bro. But yeah, my motel is called the Dubai. The shit's on University though. I'm gonna look up Motel Dubai right now. If I find that shit, bro. What happened to those candles? Got what you're snacking on? Yo, chat. So, yesterday, I went to see probably one of the greatest movies of all time. One of the best action movies I've seen in a while. It was incredible. I went to see The Little Mermaid with my kids. And, yo, I saw sound. But anyway, that's not neither here nor there. When we went, you know me, I overstocked. And we had a whole bunch of these left over. Oh yeah, if you're a dentist, hit me up. I'm gonna have cavities after tonight. So yeah, Little Mermaid gangster. Half the movie throwing up gang signs and shit. It was incredible. I loved the movie. I was afraid. I wasn't sure if I should let my kids watch it. The Jamaican accent is terrible in the movie. Needed some jerk seasoning. Who the Sebastian? I love Sebastian. That was my dog. Yo, I'm not big on anything crawling sideways at me. But honestly, if I saw Sebastian, I'd probably smoke it with him. And then I'd make some lobster stew. Or like crab stew. You have IG? Yes. It is Wix9 _ You all pass it, bro? I ain't even light it yet. What movie? Little Mermaid. Yo, what? 10 stars for me. W. Action sequences, the CGI, the computer generated what? And there goes Green with the link. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, Green.
That's because I'm green, isn't it?
It's the only sound I could find. Were you on shrooms? It's microdosing.
That's because I'm green, isn't it?
Still probably not gonna see the Little Mermaid. Nah, grab all your homies, come in there strapped. Take over the movie theater. Put your shoes up and everything. Matter of fact, if you ain't wearing black Uptowns, Timberlands, with no laces, you can't be going in there. That's the only way you dress. You go watch that movie. Any trades today? Market was moving? Hell no. No trades. I owe my broker money after this candle. Damn. This is the only candle where you could end up owing the broker money. They can't close you in time. Damn, didn't they full margin close your position out? Nah. I owe the money. Matter of fact, I owe everyone money after that candle.
American Express got a hitman looking for me.
You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. This is a nuts candle. Oh man. Didn't happen on the broker? Yeah, you're right. It didn't. It's just annoying it happened here. Oh no wonder. Word. How many of you are evicted after that candle? By a show of hands. Check my question. Where's your question? I always have to scroll back for Eamon's questions. Took a loss yesterday on London session on gold, bro. Broke out of a range and then steeper wick down, then broke out again. Bought but lost. Not sure why. Well, drop a chart. I don't know. I don't know where you bought, what your thinking was. Drop a chart where you're breaking down your position, what your thinking was, why you entered, what was the plan, where were you planning to exit. I knew we here, just a heads up that I'm an Aussie. I'm working only to get looking every now and then. No one needs my attention. Anyway, W Josie, you're showing up. Yeah. All right. You can't help himself, huh? X10, starting off the petty donos, bright and early. Dollar in the house. What up, Dr. Dollar? Spectral, thank you for joining us. W Spectral, love the emojis. Awesome. $2. Do I hear 201? Do I hear 201? We're gonna take it to 198. 499. Damn, now you doubled it. That's poker rules. You want to play poker rules? All right. Well, you can't raise. You got to raise a minimum of the bet, right? So you got to at least double the bet or more. So at 499, the next one is. This is gonna get out of hand real quick here. I already see where this is going. Oh shit! Can we just have 1,000 people donate $500, please? This would make my day so much easier. This would make this Burj Khalifa candle seem so much better. Green in the house for 5. I hear 5. 5 going once. 5 going twice. Wrench. Oh, damn. 501. Coming. Through in the nick of time. like dollar, green, and Wixten. They're coming through to the in-person just for the strip club. It's raining pennies in here. Word. It don't hurt nobody. Throw in your fucking rolls. $9.99. Yo, you guys are too slow at this. Wix 10, he's fucking raising it whether you bet it or no. He's auctioning against himself. Watch Wix 10 go $9.99, $10. Outdo himself. What do you tell yourself after a loss? I usually say, where's my lighter? I really don't care much for losses because they're so far and few between. I don't really tell myself anything. I just forget it, move on to the next one. But that's not like a mindset that I had to work on. It's like a mindset that just happened, right? Like it's very interesting how Don says it, right? It takes a long time, and then one day it happens overnight. And it's true for mindset, not just for your account and for your trading, but for your mindset as well, right? It just takes a long time for it to just happen overnight. $15. Hey, Wix 10. Oh, with a hundo. A hundo bomb. I mean, what are we gonna do? We're ranging. I think green's out here. Paul done broke the damn game. God damn it, Paul. Nah, he ain't break it. Because there's people that'll do like 101.01. See, typically dollar breaks the game. Dollar maxes it out at once, and then somebody at like 5 minutes before the stream ends goes 99 cents. Can we restart? Alright, can you tell what happened with the goal last night with long candle? Is it a glitch? What do you mean last night? This shit happened? Oh, okay, I don't know where you are. Yeah, with this big ass candle, that's a glitch on Oanda. Here, alright, we'll solve this for you guys. Here. I have a solution for this. We good. Yo, what happened with the what candle? That big ass candle. What you talking about, Willis? What candle? I don't see nothing. I really love our badges. That pineapple's dope. Once you're at like 6 months, I think that pineapple's gonna turn into an onion. Quick's 10, they can't beat you. He's taking over the Dono game crowd. He sent himself 99. Oil long made me 15K. Ha, happy me. Tell him, bruh. Tell him. Who thinks we're gonna range through the session? Who thinks we're gonna pick up at around 9:30? Oh, that's perfect. I could almost tell by the show of hands that it was about 50-50. Yo, what's the score? 9-4 Boston. Yo, it's over for the Heat. This is crazy. The last game was nuts. If you guys saw game 6, that game was fucking bonkers. Keep the hard work, buddy. Appreciate you. We got in the game by how many points? I honestly, it's like, I want the Heat to win, but it's highly unlikely, right? Like, I want the market to move here, but you know what I mean? I want to get out of this range, but it's tough. I mean, they got Butler, right? So it is over for the Heat. Weeks 9. Nothing's over. They got Jimmy buckets, right? Jimmy buckets. Just overall, just Boston's a better team, right? The Heat are shorthanded, and Boston overall is a better team. But I've never seen a better playoff player than Jimmy. I've never seen somebody just will their team through shit like that. Kobe, Michael, right? I'm talking about specifically playoffs, like clutch playoff. But it's tough. Boston, right? So no team has ever come back, right? Down 3-0 in a series. But a few teams have come back to force a game 7, right? And the thing is, those teams that did force a game 7, that game 7, they were on the road. Right? It's never happened that the team forced a game 7 and they were coming back home. So this is a unique situation. This has never happened. And I think really in this case, Boston has the upper hand. I think Boston is like a 7-point favorite here, right? A 7.5 point favorite. But anything can happen. Yo, the Heat were not supposed to be in that game, game 6. Because with 3 minutes to go, I think they were down 10 or 11. Right? And then Boston wasn't supposed to hit that last second bucket, but I think they got a win they deserved because they were better for most of the game. Regardless of like, you know, what I want, it's just you got to be intellectually honest and like talk facts about what happened. I don't know. Like, if I was a betting man, and I am a betting man, like, here's the thing. 2 things I would never place a bet on in sports. There are 2 things I would never place a bet on in sports, and that's a game 7, and that's any finals game. Game 7 or finals games, I will never bet. Because the variables at play in those games are outside the realm of talent and, you know, work ethic. And you're in the finals, everyone's talented, everyone's got work ethic, and it's who's going to show up that day. And the same thing is for game 7s. So I'll never put money on a Super Bowl, right? Never. Bet Lomachenko, he lost, he got money back. Call up the bookie. You saw what happened, bro. Give me my money back. Damn, Steezy, you don't even want to fucking finish the stream in here, huh? Yo, Mine's got free reign here. You're about to get hit with some friendly fire, Steezy. And you were saying all this since Hawks? What about the Hawks? Oh! Can you analyze daily? I did. I went to the daily and I said if we didn't have this big move up, we would have closed bearish on the daily. The move happened when the market closed. Or when the market opened. Never lost Super Bowl prediction, and sometimes I never watched a single game all season until the ship sold. That means nothing. Would you rather be lucky or good? I'd rather attribute my successes to me than to luck. There's a range for you. Chat, if this was a heartbeat right here, this is normal shit right here. Right? If this was a heartbeat, look at this. Right? Alright. Fucking normal heartbeat. Running, slowing down. I just sat down for a little. Move into my computer. Chat, I got sell stops here. No, I'm just kidding. Back to sitting down. This shit right here, Don probably announced he had buy stops. That's your heartbeat right there. Know what I'm saying? It's my heart. Seeing jail naked. There's AI for that now. Literally. AI porn. Oh man. Banks are closed on it. It's just a glitch. Well, Paul broke the petty donation game. Paul, you always break all the toys. All the new toys, you always break them. Messed up. You think AI will completely take over human traders? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. At this point, man.
It doesn't matter!
At this point, we're just trading here. AI can take a back seat. Yeah. I'm impatiently waiting for 420 viewers. Fuck. I'll smoke my other shit. I get my peaches out in Georgia. That's sweet. Oil is my favorite ridiculous move. Why? Not the USB stick. Yo, slow down. This is peach ice. All right. Running profit in oil. Well, make sure you secure the bacon. Burn that Jamaican joint. I'm gonna light it as soon as the viewers come up. I don't understand what happened. Is it a holiday today for the viewers too? You know what it is? Like all of North America, like the holiday is in the evening, so everyone's like either lit out of their mind or still celebrating. Although it's not a day to go out and get drunk and celebrate, right? It's just you're honoring military. Grand. Yeah. Just took a W. Congratulations. Wakoya. Oh wait, no. Wait. It's Royal. Sorry, Wakoya. Massive candle means there was a glitch on Oanda. Drunk as we speak. Drunk as I type. Well, you don't type it like you're drunk. You're not slurring your print. Damn. Chat. I wasn't even smoking.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
I wasn't even smoking. Looking like a dead one? Yeah. For now. How can you tell when to enter off the current high-low or previous high-low? Your range, your advantage point. Right? Because you could close. Right? You could close like this. Right? Or you could close. Wait, that's a bad example. Or you could close like this. Right? And over here, if this area right here, if this top wick here is like 4 pips, you probably want a bottom wick. And a 4 pip advantage point is not that great, so you probably want to break at a high. But if you have maybe about 10, 12, 8, 9 pips here to take advantage of, you probably want the flip of the candle, right? As it starts going up, you probably want this entry. Although it could be the same candle after. Okay. This is just the basic shit. This is the quickest tell, right? What's your advantage point? It doesn't even have to be the wick here, right? It doesn't even have to be this wick. You can have, maybe you have a level, right? Maybe you had a level. Oh, oops, sorry. Maybe there was a level here prior. Right? Now you have this area. So you don't want to trade off this off, right? As soon as you flip here, because the wick's not long enough, you have a level right here, so you might as well wait for the break of the wick. So it's situational, right? It really depends. But that's just the quickest explanation. What the fuck? The heat heating up? That ain't the heat. That's the fucking Barbie movie. What? Coming out with a Barbie movie? Hold up. I thought The Little Mermaid was gangster, but they're coming out with Barbie? Ah. I need more kids. This is crazy. That's nuts. July 21st, gang. That's the weekend of the in-person. What? Yo, we're all going to watch Barbie. Yo, Green. July 21st. You, me, your people, my people. You tell your people to get in touch with my people, and we're going to see Barbie. About it. Trade for Barbie tickets. I'm gonna take a melatonin, or you could just smoke a J with me. We could just take these micro doses. Or we can all wear a pink button down. Moving on up. 4 hour closed. Ugly ass 4 hour. So maybe top wick to continue heading down here. See? Jamaican. 417 watching. Yo, I ain't lighting this shit till we get to 420. Straight cheese. You just better call a grandma, call somebody, tell mom to log in and turn. Oh, 424. Never mind. Don't invite nobody else. We good. Sparking as well. Oh, so much for me sparking. Oh, oh, yeah. Chat, give me 1 second. I just pulled a bad dad move. I forgot to give my kid cereal or cereal. All right, let's go. Give me a kiss and we're going. Chat, give me 1 second. Why's your shirt wet? What'd you do? No, don't do that. Ew. Alright, let's go. I got you with cereal right now. Give me a second, chat. Never happened to you that the joint at the end starts like leaking some dark oil? How do you do it? Talking about resi? Yeah, you get the bruh, cause cause yous be doing too much with the J. The shit yous don't need to wet it, lick it, suck on it. You gonna get skipped if you smoking with me. I've been making love to the joint, Suck on what? I don't know. They on the filter, dog. Just take it at the beginning of the next J. All right. Too much saliva in it. Rolling 101. I roll my shit like Ali G. Ready. Oh shit, we up 9? Oh, you seen that? Yo, that was a 3. We up 12. Yo, keep Jimmy Buckets on a bench. Yo, you just don't want me watching a game at your house. I don't care what fan you are. You'd be asking me to leave by the third quarter. Be like, look, dog, we trying to go to sleep right now. Get the fuck out of here. You just don't want me over here cheering. No. Look at that. How do we close? Do we close above? Nice bottom wick here. Nice liquidity grab. We can just get these closures above. Oof, it's tough. All right, yeah.
That's because I'm green, isn't it?
I think, K4, I think you're the third or the fourth person to invite me to Morocco. You guys have a really good soccer team. Ooh, top wick to continue driving down. Oh no! Top wick on the 4-hour. Quite possibly. Oh. Off the rip? Well, there's nothing here yet. Yeah, if we were closing up above here after breaking 1943, I think 1942.8. Yeah, I would take it off the rip if we come back above here. Trying to adjust this level here because I don't really like how we're situated here. I do and I don't. seems fine to me right now. Is this the time to lock it in? It was for a minute. Got locked up in January in the middle of a trade, trying to buy papers. Asked the guy to close my trades. He turned the phone on, just got out, but rebuilding. What do you mean just got out? Got out since that time in January. But rebuilding, blown account. Is it going? Damn, hold on. Hold on, wait. No, I don't believe you, bro. You got locked up trying to buy papers? You know what I'm Get the fuck out of here! No, you didn't. You need to be locked up for the damn lie you're telling me right now. You didn't get locked up for no papers, bro. Come on.
Outside med det! Nå får du inside! Outside med det!
Yeah, I'm outside, and I know you ain't getting locked up for no papers. Nah, I believe. Depends on the country. No, you're not getting locked up for no papers. Oh, you got possession. Oh, you had it with you when you went to buy papers? So that's what you locked up for. You didn't get locked up to buy paper. You got locked up because you had some on you. That's crazy. Yeah, it was, yo, I got locked up while buying papers because I had possession. Damn, so you just got out. You know what? You know what? The best revenge here is build your account and forget about this experience. Yo, Bowser, do me a favor. Don't call out signal positions. Because then I hear from management and management tells me to control it. I mean, if you're in there. But now that you've called it out, let's go over there and look at it. Yeah, that's what we just discussed, the 4-hour flip, right? But off the 4-hour flip here, well, me personally, I don't have a sell stop, but you guys can. It's nice, and it might drive straight down. And it's a higher time frame. But I'd rather us first close below this area, so once the 4-hour does flip, right? And I'll point this out once it starts happening. We're already talking about it, right? We start coming down here. I'm gonna look for us to close below here. There you go. So if we come down here and we close below here, I'll take sells. But I need a closure once this 4-hour flips. Right? I'm not taking it off the off a sell stop here. But we get a 5-minute closing like this. We'll be in off the rip. Fill this range down here. About 15 pips advantage point. Are you streaming New York? Not sure yet. Know why the price goes to 1970? It doesn't go to 1970. It didn't go to 1970. Gold was never 1970. That was a glitch. The thing is, Oanda hired a new guy today, and they let him work the servers. So that's why. See how it would come down here? See these wicks to come down here, right? It's not bad either, right here on the 4 hour previously. Real quick, grab liquidity before coming down to here. And guess what? We ended up grabbing liquidity in the same area, right? So if we ended up grabbing liquidity in the same area, and we start closing below here, right on the 5 after this liquidity is already grabbed. I'm pretty sure we can come down and fill the range down, right? Because when you were coming down from up here pretty hard, right? You close below, build this range. Coming down from up here, close below, respect it, fill the range, close below, fill the range. So we're going to close below, we're going to fill the range. That's our advantage point. If we close too far below, no advantage point, right? That's what we'll look for here for now. Shit, it's still looking like a buy. Why everyone keeps talking about you streaming in New York? What I miss, apparently, his Pipness Don Vo posted that I might be hosting the New York session because he's not gonna make it back in time from New York. He's in New York and he can't make it to stream New York. From November to January, Wix and Don help me become financially free. Paid actor, chat. 100% paid actor. I don't know who's on my payroll. There's a lot of people, right? But that's got to be one of them. Paid actor for sure. Yo, can you cut TBRM a check? Who paid him? The market. Our knowledge, the value we provide here, paid him. No clue. I'm not on the good luck. You know what we never did. We never let this out. Wix Yoda. bullish till 1950. Well, you can't be bearish till 1950, right? You can only be bullish till 1950, because if you're bearish till 1950, it would indicate that the price is above 1950. I'm bearish till 1950 once we get to 2000. Can I wash my money in the market? Asking for a friend? No, but I once washed my money in a pair of jeans, and I swear when I put them on, it was the best present ever. So, can't wash it like that, but you can put it in a pair of jeans and wash it. Bearish to 2,500. Word. Yes, sir. For a friend, huh? I heard those. I've heard every excuse in the book. Okay. Asking for a friend. My girl doesn't believe me. My parents think I'm selling drugs. The homework ate my dog. I heard everything. Your brain is like rocket, huh? Works with this horizontal line on bottom works. On bottom works. You take off the. You mean right here, right? This area. Yeah. Well, let's do this again. The 4-hour top wick. The hourly here has a top wick, right? It'll be bearish below there. Really nice liquidity grab. The 30 at the moment. All right, here's the thing. If this 30 here flips and closes bearish, right? We're going to be off the rip on the next 30. Because that would be a 5-minute candle as well with the top wick. Okay. I miss, as I stated that, I realized that didn't sound exactly how it needs to sound. So let me play that again. Let me describe that again. So if we get a closure like this, but we don't break it on this 30 and create a top wick on the next 30 before breaking this, right? If we get something like this on the 5-minute candles on the next 30, these are how the 5-minute candles are going to print, right? As soon as this happens, we'll be off the rip. But if the 30 closes here like this, I'm going to wait for a pullback. I'm going to wait for a steep wick, and I'm basically going to wait for all of this to play out. But after the closure below. But if this plays out and then we get a closure below, I'll be on off the rip. I just need another 5-minute level here. And the next 30 top wick, obviously. Yeah, 52-41. He taking 11-point lead into halftime. Here's the thing. I don't trust Boston third quarter. Just like Boston shouldn't trust Miami fourth quarters. No. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that would have been big. That would have been big into halftime. What? They could have took 14 into halftime. Oh, man. You're Ishish? Nice. What money you wash? I don't know about. I think it's the best feeling in the world finding some like a washed up Benjamin in like a jean pocket. I'm talking about like your jeans pocket, not like G-string that's sewn onto the inside of your jeans. Oh man. You guys are ratchet. I never find that. My wife checks my pants before washing for that reason. Here's the thing. I do a lot of the laundry. I'm the laundry dude. You know why I do the laundry? Because I could get that shit done in like a third of the time that any woman can get it done. I promise you. Shit, take it to a laundromat. Take it to a fucking dry cleaner. Take your shit wherever you want. Do it on your own. Get some help. I promise you. I'll get laundry done in like a third of the time. And chat, you know what I did one day? I watched TikTok hacks for folding clothes, and I swear I fold clothes like 2 shirts at a time, looking like they're on a store shelf. Like, my folding game is next level. I'm telling you. I go to war with the clothes, yo. You guys don't know. Yeah, I'm fucking Spartan when it comes to that shit. Alright, we're driving down here. This is gonna be the 30 close here. This is key, so I'm gonna expect a pullback, a top wick on the next 30. If we can close below. The thing is, if we close bullish here, we might get a bottom wick to continue driving up. We never grabbed liquidity here. I wanted to grab liquidity below this current 30. This hourly needs to flip. Stops? Nah, they can't stop us now. My ears! Man.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Fuck your ears. Nah, but seriously, we love your ears. Yo, just get some headphones. It's a straight face for me, bro. 100%. That's what makes things funny. Where do you get your music? Yo, please don't tell anybody. I don't think anyone's heard of this yet. YouTube. It's a brand new platform. I think they're gonna get really big here. How tall are you? When I stand on my money or when I'm just standing? Hold on. I got my stand-up chair right here, chat. $30 close, never flip, right? Careful. No, don't. I wouldn't suggest any sell stops here because, like I said, we can just come down here and grab liquidity below this previous 30, right? Anywhere in this area. And we can just come down, make a bottom wick for it before driving up here. I don't know why I draw it like that right there. This is what can happen here. So don't have any sell stops here. Wait for some closures below there. Anybody got a link to this YouTube? You here, bruh? To this. Name of the music, it's Harris Heller. That's the artist. That did the beats. Harris Heller. Oh shit, there's people in the waiting room. My bad. My bad. It's the name of yo music. I be naming all my shit myself. This is my favorite track. I call this the Filthy McNasty. Wix, are you 20? No, I am 420. How about you? Are you 20? Do 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 do. Guess I'm in my 20s. No, I was asking Jeff. My name's Jeff. Where's Aaron? Word. Where's Aaron at? Let me find out. Let's figure it out. Yo, where you at, Aaron?
Aaron, where are you? Where is Aaron right now? No Aaron, huh? Well, you better be sick, dead, or mute, Aaron.
Aaron not here. Neither one of them. Neither one of the two Aarons. You ever notice how you never see both Aarons in the same room together? What's up with that shit? Missing my lighter, but I really want to continue watching your streams. Borrow mine. Oh shit, I was almost missing my lighter too. What you eat today? It was oh wait, hold on, chat. What's up? You gonna lay down? Give me a hug, I love you. What hurts? Your legs? It's from the horses. I know. Alright, so I'll be over there. I'll see you in a little bit. Love you. Yeah, she does like that equestrian thing, and she takes horse lessons. That's another expensive sport, right? Because like hockey is expensive, right? You need ice time. You got to go rent the helmet and like or buy a helmet, a stick, and like all that shit, right? But like horseback riding, you gotta like buy a horse. Like most normal people, they get a dog and call it a fucking day, right? Nah, you need a horse for this shit. Can I borrow your lighter? No, you can't borrow my lighter. Look at this. Look at this shit. It doesn't have any fumes left in it. It's running on just faith. This lighter is running on my belief that it can light the joint. That's all it's running on. There's no gas in this bitch. Right? Did a gas dance and prayed to the fucking big gods for this shit to work right now. You know what I'm saying? Come on, god damn it. Fucking, oh, I almost had it right there, yo.
Just give me the light.
Fucker. Yeah! I love you, Sean. Yo, hold on, gang. Let me open some windows on here. I'm lying. There's not a single window in my office, just 3 doors. And open it, no windows. Wow. It's a whole new world. Sending 100,000 ETH to Wix? Do it. Bro, you send me 1,000 Ether. They gave it to me. Why would they give it to you? I don't know. They gave it to me. I'm gonna have to move out. You give me 1,000 Ether? Bro. I'm gonna have... Come in. Sir, we heard you have 1,000 Ether. Spread your cheeks and lift your sack. Three doors, ball, and yeah, my office literally has 3 doors, and the shit behind me is literally the only thing without a door. Oh shit. Why my broker 30-minute candle prints aren't the same as yours? I don't know, 30-minute? I'm not sure. Clean bearish candle there. What clean bearish? You don't have this right here. That's just a glitch on Oanda here. Just the broker we're using for charts, for streaming purposes. Yeah, my broker doesn't have that either. Need a liquidity grab here. Check my message. Ah, now I gotta scroll back again, Damon. We check 30 minutes. There are rejection 954 area. Would you buy? Still be safe. 1954.8. Oh, you know how far that is? You mean 1944.8, or we're above that. I think trading only one market has made you a better trader, without a doubt. Without a doubt, not even question. Previous 30 minute has no bottom wick. Is that a problem? I mean, no, it's not a problem. It's just good eye. It doesn't have a bottom wick, right? So now if you break it, it doesn't mean you're going to continue down. It just could be a liquidity grab to continue heading up. High probability of it going back to the center, I noticed. Cool beans. Yeah, I guess the center. You mean the middle of the candle? The flip of the candle? The center. Nice. Yes. And you don't need multiple markets to, like, people think you need multiple things to always get a trade, and no, you don't need multiple markets to do insanely well in the markets. I mean, chat, you guys will never guess. I mean, Green knows, but you guys will never guess. Going for a smoke, hope I don't miss an entry. No, but you will miss some patas sucias fucking going wild on top of their computer tables. Yo, we got 555 watching in here right now. Shout out to all 555 of you joining us for this range. You know what? We might do this again in New York, but I don't know. Right now, it's like it's a possibility, but not a probability. My angel number tatted on my body. It's a sign. You must be in a position. Hold on, let me go put on my helmet. I need a helmet for this one. All right, all right, all right, all right. Sit your asses down. Don, I don't think Don is back from. I don't think Don's back. Yeah, I think he had his OnlyFans in person this weekend. He's got the OnlyFans in person right now. Yeah, and then I think in a couple of weeks we're having the former inmates of Rikers Island reunion, the inmate class of 2018. We're doing a 5-year reunion. If you were on the island, if you were on the rock, 2018. He's doing the former inmates in person. Need a log for sure. It's happening. It's happening. I can tell by the inverted hammer, it's not going up.
Think about that. That's just dumb.
Yeah. 5-minute cup and handle.
How about no?
Prison reunion. Word. Give her the okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. When I have the in-person, I'm gonna supply all my mods with a soundboard that they can just use at their own at their own free will during streams. It's gotta be a mod soundboard. I'm just gonna communicate with mods through soundboards. That's it. Yo, we up 15 right now. This is crazy. I don't care. Tatum shooting free throws and we up 15. That's crazy. Yo, where's Dollar at the moment? We were down like 7 or 8, and Dollar said the Heat got this. Yeah, about that inverted hammer, dog. What about it? What about it? He was in Georgia? State or country? I'm pretty sure he's talking about the state. A handle needs to... Oh, that was a quick 4-point swing right there. Ooh, that was halfway down. Oh, come on, Jimmy Buckets. This is fucking crazy. Boston's gonna... It's always like that. Boston's a third quarter team. It'd be dope if I could have the game running right in the background, or like on a little on a little screen. Pipe down, Mr. Nick. I mean, I don't I don't deny it. You looking for a 5-minute closure above? Yes. Me, I'm really just rooting for the refs here. I want the refs to get it right. Ooh. Stole that. Cookies. Oh, what a pass. Oh, fuck. I can't watch the game. I can't watch the game. I can't do this. Thank God I'm not allowed to have this shit on the screen. I wish I still had a team. I refuse for the Spurs. You're in San Antonio? Damn, that's so close to Texas. You might as well just change sport. Soccer. Soccer from now on. And it better be like a Mexican team. Can I have your playlist? It's on YouTube. Harris Heller. Damn, San Antonio. It's crazy. Well, you still got Pops. Bumpy Stonkson. That's a funny name. Okay, Bumpy. Not the Haikanashi. That's 6 minutes for our session here, chat. And then I'll decide if New York is a possibility. We're not doing nothing here. We're just ranging. Let's see what happens. Let's see how this hourly closes here. Got Becky Hammond on the Spurs. No, not Becky with the good hair. Call it? Yeah, but then I'd have nobody to watch the game with. Like, I can't talk shit to my kids. Like, fuck am I gonna do? Grab the 3-year-old and be like, I told you that he got this. Woo! My 3-year-old gonna be like, what? Can't watch the game with the kids. I gotta watch it with y'all. That's crazy. Boston's desperate, but the Heat ain't playing no D. And that's what happens when you don't play D. You get burned. Guy yelling at me, right? Why am I 16 feet in the air? Yo, you better hit that 3, bro. I want my TV dad. If 1 hour candle closed green, it'd go up? Not necessarily. It's not necessarily how it works. Waiting for NAS 100 to move? Well, then you need to wait till the New York session when it's open. What does LMAO mean? It means leave me alone, Otis. I don't know who Otis is. Zoom. Oh, my bad, John Nez. Welcome. Shout out to Otis, straight cheese. One minute here for this 1 minute closure. Everybody welcome John S to the chat. And everybody say goodbye to him since we're ending the stream.
Yo, what's good?
How you always make it for the ending?
I don't know. It's just what time work finishes.
You're gonna have to talk to your boss. Be like, look, I got this trading thing. I found this trading thing. Alright, chat. Breaking up here. We're gonna need to pull back. We need a 5-minute range created. Let's see if we're optimal here.
Are you streaming New York tonight?
I don't know if I'm doing New York. I'm gonna think about it, and yeah, this is a better level here, chat. Right here, right where it rejected off of here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it yet, but if I do it,
Yeah.
You'll get a notification in the morning.
Too easy.
He's gonna call Don as soon as stream over. Well, I probably will talk to him after stream, yeah. Let's see if he's gonna make it. See what's up. Why wouldn't I? Well, it depends if Don comes in, because I haven't spoken to him all day, and I'm obviously gonna trade tomorrow morning, right? So if I'm gonna trade and he's not streaming, I'll probably hop on. Oh, he traveled, yeah, for sure. Fuck Derek White. Ooh, that was a nasty pass. You should have went right up. They called a travel? 2.6K viewers on the Wix stream for sure. No, I think the most viewers I've ever had was like 1.5 covering for Don. Like 1.2. Somewhere around there. I don't think we had 2K viewers. Yo, you cannot shamelessly plug your shit here. I'm the king of the shameless plug, right? I created the shameless plug. You got to go to me to ask if you can utilize the shameless plug in your strategy, right? You just be shamelessly plugging shit here. I got no shame. Whew. Well, it said fuck you and just decided to drive, huh? It's funny, it's only 5 pips. It looks like it's already been like 10, 15. Looks like we're staying a little extra here today. Let's see. The 4 hour here, chat. Keep in mind the 4 hour still never flipped, and it can happen anytime before midnight. It can flip, and this just might be a top wick for the daily. Yo, can we score a bucket here? What the fuck? Got Kyle Lowry on the floor. This guy needs a fucking treadmill and a Stairmaster. You know what Kyle Lowry needs? He needs to put his Stairmaster into the sauna. Into the fucking steam room, turn that bitch up to like $120 and get on that fucking Stairmaster. If you ain't mastering stairs in the sauna, are you really losing weight? Fucking fat goose. This guy. He definitely would. He's already asking IG to convince FOREX stream or what? Oh yeah, no. I just haven't spoken down all day. Cold feet, no. What? Cold feet? Nah, these motherfuckers is warm and cold. I got NBA socks on, dog. I don't get cold feet with NBA socks. Right? This ain't your fucking holy Reeboks, right? I got NBA sneakers. I got NBA socks on. Oanda chart is fucked. The other broker's not like that. Yeah, but Oanda already fired that guy, I'm sure. Whoever screwed the charts up. NBA socks W. Yeah, chat. I think we're gonna end up watching this game here on stream. Oh shit. Wix 12 is here. You wanna say hi to everybody? Do you? Really? Alright, hold on. Do your best smile. Biggest smile. No, that's not a smile, that's a puppy face. That's a smile. There you go. Give him that. Give him that face. Give him hell, kid. Tell him to drop a like. Say drop a like. You know what I'm saying? Say sub to the channel. Wix, do you have a license to grow your own in Florida? I don't need a license. I've been growing these for like 6 years, bro. No license needed. We good. All right. Look, I need you to go dream of something. Go dream of pips. Go dream of a bullish gold move and tell me how your dreams went, okay? Wave, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's it? Deuces, say deuces. That's right, deuces. Go. get a Celtics suck? No? Celtics suck? She said no. Oh shit. They putting something in the milk. Are you even my kid? Are you even my kid? Good girl. She just knows Green's coming here. She's like, no, I want a present. I love the Celtics. Yo, can you stop giggling for no apparent reason? Yo, go giggle your ass off with your sisters, please. She laughed for no reason, Chad, but I just laugh from hearing her laugh. Like, you ever those people, they have just contagious laughter, they laugh and you laugh because they're laughing? Oh, that's why you're here, because I got the candles here. I'm sorry. Yeah, I didn't understand. I'm sorry. That's what you guys looking for. All right, both of you. Hold on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right, go. It's not your birthday, so go to bed. Go to bed, not your birthday. This wasn't a birthday candle. They always run out of my office and leave all the doors wide open. It's like a fucking aquarium in here. Wick 6 going to sleep? There is no Wick 6. We started at 9. We're a rare breed. She made me laugh. How about her dad? She has a nice laugh. God bless her. Yes, I agree. Yo, that's how she falls asleep, Chad. She just giggles. And it's crazy because, like, it's hard to fall asleep, but you can't punish her for it. You can't be like, no, don't laugh. What am I, the fucking laugh Nazi? No. Right? You can laugh. Oh, damn. Big. Oh, yeah. Can we get these closures? Can we get a pullback in closures? I like to be extra cautious here with the daily. And the 4 hours at its resistance, right? We can look for positions here on buys, but chat, I need 9. Yeah, maybe it stops here. Yeah, that would be the most logical. I need a bottom wick here to like 1942 levels, chat. I'm not gonna take nothing. So this needs to pull back here. The way this closes here, we need to come down here and tap 1942 areas. 1942.7.5. This just. Where the market rejects and typically drives from. Need to drive from somewhere in these areas. Need this wick right here on the hourly. with the 4 hour not having a bottom wick, it would make sense also, because if we come down, then it would make a 4 hour bottom wick as well. It would give us a daily flip and a bottom wick. Oh, I'm sorry, it wouldn't be a daily flip. It would be the 4 hour flip, right? And you get a bottom wick on the 4 hour, and it continues to drive up, looking like a 1 a.m. move, 2 a.m. move. Candle had glue, huh? Trade New York? I'll trade New York 100%. Will I stream New York? It's questionable. It's likely if Dumbo's out for the day. I'll hit him up. No more laugh today. Yeah, 15's closing above here. It's not really a 15 level for me. 15 level's a bit higher. I still expect us to tap 43 areas. And if it doesn't, if it just dries, then it dries. Caleb Martin's tearing it up. Yeah, 13 in the fourth, 11 in the fourth. You know what, chat? Hold on. Let me call my pops. I know my dad's watching this. All right, we're back. My pops went into one of those back in my day stories, right? Because when we moved to the United States, I was a little kid, right? The Knicks and the Rangers went to the finals, right? In '94, the Rangers won the Stanley Cup and the Knicks lost to the Rockets. And my pops was just like, you see the parallels? When back in my day it was happening, the city was on the come up, right? And that's what happens when the city's on the come up. The people are successful, the teams are successful, and now Florida's on the come up. You see both teams making it to the finals. There's people coming down here, state's successful, the state's on the come up. So, I was like, yeah, Dad, you're right. I'm just glad he's excited. Yeah. He's like, but now New York's not in the call, right? Nothing. Why are you sneaking in here? Is everyone else sleeping? Everyone sleeping? You snuck in here? Hey, baby. What you doing in here? I snuck in the club. Yo, stop giggling. You're going to get me in trouble. Shh. Is Mom sleeping? Nope. She knows you're here. She doesn't know you're here. You snuck in here. Well, go hide or something. Go hide behind that chair. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Once I'm done, I'll carry you out in my luggage. Wheel you to the bedroom. As we're driving up here, we got volume, chat, but I might call it here in 7 minutes if we don't close above anything or start rejecting.
I'm from Sydney, 50 pips.
Call it so I don't have to see Steezy. Or Miami to the finals, that's true. But he ain't lying, Green. It's just... Why are you laughing? You just smacked the shit out of your kneecap. It's not funny. Just laughing at pain, you little sadist. Sadist.
Esho.
Huh?
Mecca Apes, you know where Glebe is?
Just pin him. You guys can pin each other.
Yeah, I want to move up to Brisbane.
Damn, we up 19 in the fourth. Yo, they might as well just shake hands right now, honestly. If this was a PlayStation game, whoever would be controlling the Celtics right now would be fucking going 9 p.m. I'm not even playing right now no more. I'm going home. Here, take your fucking controller. Bruh, that's your controller. Fuck it. You take it anyway. Hate this game. Shit, what did I drop? Hold on a sec.
You've now drew it back its postcode. Yeah, I was born in Brizzy, so I want to move back there.
All right, gang. Probably gonna call, but I'll be on in the morning if Don doesn't stream. I'll speak to Donda. I'll speak to Don and see what the fuck is up with him, why he's not back in time, and maybe get him to stream. And if he doesn't stream, we'll cover it. Miami sucks. Just getting it. Listen, man.
Fuck you and your badass attitude, all your negativity, and all that other shit. Keep that shit to your fucking self. Cause on this side, we're fucking positive.
Miami to the finals, dog. It's just, at this point, like yeah, I'm rooting for Miami, but at this point, like, I thought the Celtics were gonna take it tonight, but at this point, even I can say, like, I was wrong. I think Boston thought they had it in the bag. They thought it was easy now because they 3 in a row. Momentum's on their side. They're bringing it for get back for Game 7. They thought they won before they actually won. I think Boston in their heads, Boston thought they had it already. Right? And I think that was their fatal flaw tonight. I got Wicks 11 and 12 right next to me, gang. Hold on. Show you what's going on here right now. The ratchetness that's occurring next to me. You see this, chat? You see that? They ain't letting me live. Look, they're just pulling at my elbow. All right, we're heading out. Gang, if Don's not on, I'll be on in the morning on this channel. You'll get a notification. So drop a like for the stream, sub to the channel, and turn on notifications. This way you know when we're on. Right? Shout out to the mods. Thank you so much for coming through. Green, I'm sorry. Right? Heat to the finals.
It's because I'm green, isn't it?
No, it's because the Heat are going to the final. But either way, love you, dog. Thank you for coming through. Shout out to Don if he's creeping somewhere in the background. Jay Good, appreciate you. All the mods. Keelan, Kieran, Dr. Dollar was in here. Everyone that, Paul was in here. Wixton, right? Anyone who dropped a dono. I see Matt over here. Talking up my Pops Logic. Yeah. Shout out to everybody here. Spectral, thank you for coming through as always. Appreciate you, brother. And all 555 of you watching tonight. Wix donated to himself. Shout out to Wix. No, it wasn't me. It was Wix10 donating to me. That's Paul. He just has the same picture. That was Wix10 donating to Wix9. Oh, hold on 1 second. Give me 1 second, chat. No, what is this drive down here now? 555. Good night. Yeah, chat. I appreciate all of you. Let's get our vibey song on. And like I said, if Don's not on, I'll see you guys in the morning. All right. And just like that, our session is over. Peace out. See any positions for London, I'll discuss them in the clubhouse at our Discord in the clubhouse. And if you're not part of that, go join right next to the sub button. Click join the clubhouse, and then for all your discussion outside of the stream. Right. I had to plug, Chad. The shameless plug. I'm the king of the shameless plug, alright? Well, good night, everybody. All right, maybe a couple more minutes. Let's see how this plays out. Hold on. I thought we were out, but hold on. Is this 30 going to flip here? It is. Yeah, the 30 is going to flip here. But it's at a resistance, at a 30 resistance. I can't take a position here on the 30. I want a closure back below range here. Thought we might have had it here. All right, if we were going to do this here, right, and the next 5 closes back above here, I would take this position off the rip to retest the highs here. Just want to see how the 30 played out here, right? It's a nice bottom wick. Back like you never left. Yeah, 200 real ones stayed on. Shout out to 200 real ones. 193 of you. 193 real ones stayed on for this. It's the music. Everyone stays through the music at the end. Not everyone, obviously. Look, a third stayed on. 2/3. 65% of the chat dip. Easier than the Wordle. Let's see what happens here. I know the Boston fans dipped right away. All the Boston fans just said, yeah, whatever. Motherfucker, I'm out. Whatever you say, we don't care. Heat to the finals. All right. All right, chat. Give me a minute here. I'm gonna start. It's 10:30. My kids are still running around. I'm gonna put them. Tell them to lay down, and I'll be right back. I'll close the stream. I'm doing? You're still not sleeping, so. All right, we're gonna call it in 5 minutes, chat. Flip. Yeah. Nice drive. I can't take a position here on the 30 for me, Chad, because the 30 here closed at a 30 resistance. All right, yeah. I'm going to call it a stream. I wanted this 5 to close below here, and then if it closed above, we would have taken these buys to retest the highs, but we didn't get that. So I'll have either more buys above this current high at 1946.335, 1946.4, or above 1947.541. All right, chat. That's it. We're going to call it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Same time, same place, 8 p.m. Eastern for Asian session, and if I do the New York session, I'll probably be on by 7 a.m. All right. Have a good night, everybody.